Right? Harder. Second question. The plain volleyball. The ball should be set for the picking. Here, dear children, the skills in here. Or the skills can. Harder. What are the skills in here? Skills monadalamai. What are the skills in here? Skills monadapute. Up. Isturu. What's the skills of that volleyball? Not karagata skill like serving. Yes, the harm very good. Serving, what fuchani? Service, receiving. And what one other? Next month.
Serving, receiving, setting, spiking, blocking, field defending.
Yeah, very good. And what the skills? Chamudi girl.
Service,
Yeah, serving,
blocking, and court defending.
yes, very good. Serving, receiving, setting, and then very good. Serving, receiving, setting, picking, blocking, court defending. Picking, blocking, court defending. The serving, receiving, setting, picking, blocking, court defending. Like that. Skills in here. Right? Yeah, very good, Arushi. When the game volleyball introduced as a national game of the Sri Lanka. In each year, in each year, volleyball introduced as the national game. Alamai? Ambaba? Another. In each year, volleyball introduced to national games of the Sri Lanka. National games of the Sri Lanka. Ihanga another. Iyaka matakaida patti ogalta. Iyaka matakaida. In which year it's also introduced as a national game in here. Alamai. Iyaka matakaida.
Oh, sir.
No.
Sir.
Harder. Okay, Malana, in which volleyball is introduced. Harder. First, skill like a serving like a mother. So it's introduced as the 1991. Harder. 1991. 1991 introduced as the national game of Sri Lanka. 1991. Hurry up. Ikmankara. So it's introduced as the 1991 as the national game of the Sri Lanka. 1991, Arvidimash, Jemima, 1991, introduced as the national game of the Sri Lanka. Introduced by William G. Morgan. Net meaning Lakshita. So it's introduced as the William G. Morgan. Like that. Very good, dear children. Your answers are correct. Here, the speaking in here. But the techniques used for that. When playing the volleyball, the ball should be set for the speaking. The technique for that is, not the technique for me. What are the techniques for that is? මොනවද ළමයි? What are the techniques for that? Techniques දෙක. Pickings වල spiking කියලා කියනවා. මොනවද රශ්මි? හරියට dear children මොනවද? Yeah, very good. Arundi, yes, very good. How do you call it? Alamai, the picking, prahare, the technique of used voice, body part, and it's another deep part. Very good. Third answer, the body part and deep part. Another body part and deep part in here. Are the Mahima, Marisha, Mayumi? The following picture shows an activity to practice in here. What's that activity? Alamai, how do you call this activity, Putala? How would you introduce Karani? The activity is also mentioned in your text.
OAM service.
Mic on කරලා පස්සේ දැක්ක නේද? සමහරවිට එහෙම practice නෑ බබා mic off කරගන්න. ඒකයි. Overarm serving in here. Overarm serving. Overarm serving in. හරි නේද? Overarm serving in here. You have to draw that activity. The outshore solving the overarm serving in here. Right? The game also volleyball beginning with the serving skill. Right? Like that. Now complete it, please. Read well and do it. Read well and do it, please. Select the incorrect statement relating to the rules of serving and passing the balls in the volleyball in here. Diyan බලන්න පුතේ. Incorrect statement. හරිද? Incorrect statements in here. The player should not catch it and throw the ball. Further, the service should be done after the 8 seconds after the ball has been tossed. The player should not rest the ball in the hands, and when passing the ball should be served after receiving the signal for that in here. Like that. The incorrect statement in here. What was the incorrect statement? What's that? Please use the chat box. The player should not catch and throw the ball. Varadi kahani. Yeah, very good. First one correct. The server should be done after the 8 seconds after the ball has been tossed. No. The serving can be done within 8 seconds after the whistle. After the whistle. That's incorrect. Second one incorrect. Fifth one, further. The serving should be done within 8 seconds after the whistle of the judge board. Second one incorrect. The player should not rest the ball in the hand when passing the ball spin here. Right? The player should not rest the ball in the hand when passing the ball. That's correct. The ball should be served after receiving the signal for that. The ball should be served. The ball should be served after receiving the signal for that. Yeah. Second one incorrect. Last one, Baba. This is not a skill of the volleyball. Skill of the volleyball. No, Ramai. This is not a skill of the volleyball. Receiving, picking, field defense, footwork. Not a skill. Footwork, very good. Footwork. Fourth one. Fourth one is incorrect. Another fourth one incorrect. At the show your book, dear children. At the Dishan, Vihanga, Maurya, Shanindu, Vesandi, footwork, Manushi, very good. How about your marks? 2 for each one. 2 for each one out of 10. Chamudi. Konekma. Daham. Keda puta marks? Dasun boy. Dasun Samula. Chamudi. Anuha, common the mark. 10 Himash, very good. With me. 10 marks, very good doll. Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah. Harda. Volleyball compulsory question paper Harda volleyball. Harda, right. Let's see here. The part 2. Right, it karana. Write 3 stages of the volley pass technique in the volleyball. Briefly explain that. Arya, Mankara. Screen share करने इसका मैं कैमरे को ऑफ कराना पड़ते हैं होंगे right okay stages Dian बनाने वाला Arya stages and හරිද? ඔයාලා time එක ඇතිනේ පුතේ. time එක ඇති නේද? time එක ඇති නේද? Three stages of the body parts technique in volleyball. Briefly explain that. Mother, name three stages in here. Mother, stages in before touching the ball, and after touching the ball. Hurry. Before touching, and after touching in here. Hurry. Before touching, body parts technique. Hurry. Before touching, and after touching the ball in here. Explain करा दो आला. Explain करा दो. Explain करा दो पुते. Before touching the ball, what are the features in here? Udana, please tell me. Before touching the ball, Netma,
Stand with good balance with your legs apart, keeping a distance of shoulder width or slightly more between the 2 feet. Bend knees slightly and lower the body a little. Keep your body straight. Keep the fingers freely, forming a spherical shape that is large enough to hold the volleyball, and keep the thumbs and forefingers
by using the ball.
forefingers of the two hands forming a
Two hands.
triangular shape. Keep
Yeah,
the
very good.
wrist joints freely. Hold the two hands thus arranged slightly above the forehead. Keep the eyes focused on the ball through the thumbs and forefingers of the two hands.
Yeah, very good girl. What's your name, Puta?
Chamudi.
Chamudi neda? Ah, yes, very good. Anyone? Netma? Man camera on kar bata making ahane honda.
That touching the ball, no, sir?
Yeah, touching the ball.
Straighten the angle.
Before touching the ball. Wait, Puta, then. Before touching the ball, so keep the eyes focused in here. Keep the eyes focused in here to the thumbs and the forefingers of the two hands. Netma, please tell me.
Straighten the ankles, knees, hip, elbows and wrist joints and raise the body while directing the ball upwards using tips of fingers.
Yeah, very good. The first stage also before touching the ball. Next one, touching the ball in here. Okay. Another one, Rashmi, Mayumi, Pulwanda, Anuha. Yeah. Tell me. Anyone? Anuha, Pulwanda, Udana.
Stand looking ahead, straighten and denominate and hand keep the ball on the plane. Put the foot of the same side a little in front. Stand keeping the body weight on the back foot. Straightly bend a stick and hand at the bow and keep
Yeah,
the
Kitty
hand
Indiana, Aisha. Yes, very good. Only 1 point. Very
above
good, very
the
good.
head.
Yeah, only 1 point, Aisha. It's a point to clear Mati or like a paper. Answer 6. Thank you all. For the first one, wait, dear children. Only 1 point is enough. The first one before touching the ball. First one before touching the ball in here. Keep the eyes, focus the ball to the thumb and the forefingers of the two hands. Right? Keep the eyes focused on the ball to the thumb and forefingers of the two hands. Forefingers of the two hands in here. Keep the eyes focused. Keep the eyes also focused in here. Anuha, Gamla. Before touching the ball, in here. before touching the ball හරිද answers විතරයි ඔයාලා එවන්න ඕන answer එක before touching the ball then keep the eyes focus the ball keep the eyes focus the ball in here හරිද the thumb yeah keep the eyes focus the ball with thumb and four fingers of the two hands four fingers of the two hands හරිද please correct it ගන්න red pen එක අරන් correct කරගන්න ඔයාලා four fingers of the hand හරිද four fingers of the hand හරිද දසුන් අරුෂි හරිද next one touching the ball in here touching the ball අනුව please tell me මම කැමරා on කරපුවාගෙන අහන්නේ හොඳ මම පූජනි පුරාද බැටියෝ දසුන් touching the ball refer the textbook මේක අනිවාර්යෙන්ම ඔයාලා third term සවෙන්යා can මයතු කතා කරන්න බැටරි වලට කමක් නැහැ
Straighten the ankles, knees, hips, elbows, and wrists joints, and place the body while directing the ball upward using the tips of fingers.
yes very good all so Tikshana Dinar Tikshana Puta
Sir, may touching the ball,
yeah touching the ball Puta
straighten the ankles, knees, hip, elbows, and wrist joints, and raise the body while directing the ball upward using the tips of the fingers.
yeah very good that's very good boy okay Kavindu කොදිනවා I can't catch you කැමස් on කරපුවාගෙන් අහනවා මම දන්නේ නැහැ අනිත් අය ළමයි ඉන්නවද කියලා හරිද like touching the ball straighten your ankles knees hips and elbows wrist joints raise the body directing the ball upwards using tips of the fingers upward using tips of the fingers hariද upward using tips of the fingers in here yeah Kavindu noise no sorry Puta hariද praise aya hariද anyone girl Samadhi Uttara girl can you explain Uttara Chanuka boy Sadev Puta कुछ माइक ऑन करना है ना मैं इधर कैमरा ऑन कर लवांगे मैं आने Chamudi
Sir, after touching the ball,
touching the ball Sudha sorry touching the ball Abhiman
Sir, touching the ball.
yeah touching the ball
Straighten and ankles, knees, hip, elbows, and wrist joints, and raise the body while directing the ball upwards using the tips of fingers.
yeah class එකකින් පාඩම් කරලා ඒකට හරියනේ ආයෙ බලන්න ඕනේ නැහැ හිමාෂ් හරිද right පුතා කියන දසුන් boy after touching the ball දසුන් boy
Loosen up the two hands and extend them towards the direction of the ball.
yeah very good Netma another feature in here Pasindu boy.
Straighten their legs and raise their body. Maintain body balance by placing one foot in front.
Yeah, very good, Sita. The after touching the ball screen here. One of the Mithma, very good, Pasindu. After touching the ball, dear. After
Straighten
touching
the legs and raise the body. Maintain body balance by placing one foot in front.
Yeah, very good. After touching the ball screen here. After touching the ball, loosen up the two hands. Baba. Loosen up the two hands. Extend towards the direction of the ball. Loosen up the two hands. Loosen up. Loosen up the two hands and extend them towards the direction of the ball. Loosen up the two hands, extend them towards the direction of the ball in here. Yeah, Anuhab, very good. Tamil Baba. Maintain the body balance here. Third one, sorry, point. I am not well today, okay? I am not well. Order. Time make aparadhi se mangai kare na ka aparadhi all. Yeah, you waiting for the health class. Right? Third. Loosen up two hands, extend the body. Third. Towards the direction of the ball. Maintain the body balance. Maintain body balance. Maintain the body balance. Touching the ball upwards. After touching the ball, keep the eyes, focus the ball to thumb and folding forefingers of the hand. Touching the ball, directing the ball upwards by using tips of the finger. Upwards, using tips, and you need to do. Using tips. After touching the ball, loosen up the two hands, extend them towards the direction of the ball, and maintain the body balance. So, Baba, show your notebook, please. Answer script pen number again. Show your answer script. Anuhatko, Malmi, Adish Shahar, the Pupenan Ovini. All right, very good, doll. Very good, dear children. Chamudi. Yeah, well done. Super. Yeah, Pute, yeah. Monday morning, Monday 11:30 p.m. Monday 11:30 first term and second term theory. 11:30 Chamudi aap kare. 11:30 to 11 o'clock. Sorry. Himas boy.
Yes, sir. 11:30.
11:30 Monday. Yes, Miami. Saturday join me in the Saturday also 11:30. And the third term theory is currently 11:30.
Sir, for a week, how many days?
Sorry?
For a week, how many days?
For week 3 days. For 1 week. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You can call this number and take part if you want, if you like, right? Okay. Somebody take a message. Further. Saturday 11:30. WhatsApp group එකක් තියෙනවා ඒවට. WhatsApp group for the Saturday class. හරිද? Okay, catch it. හරිද චම්මි? catch කරගත්තා?
Yes, sir.
All right, okay. හරිද next month? Right, let's see the another question. Dear children, ඔයාලගේ lunch time එක නේද හැමදාම? lunch time helps lunch time, no? All right, okay, hurry up please. Try 2 rules. Try 3 rules. Hard the video. Try 3 rules relating to the serving and passing the balls of the volleyball. Try down. Try down is the question. Okay, good. Sorry, I can't upload it. Today I'm not in well. Right? I also upload the system. Not now, okay? Right. හරිද පුතා ඔයාලගේ වෙලාව නිසා මම කරේ ඉතින් ඔයාලා බලාගෙන ඉන්නවනේ. Try 3 rules relating to the serving and passing the balls of the volleyball. What are the rules වෙන්නේ? Anyone can? හැමෝගේ mic on කරන්න බෑ ඔයාලා දන්නවනේ ඉතින් පැට්‍රික් ඊට පස්සේ noise එකක් එනවා ඊට පස්සේ ඔක තව ප්‍රශ්නයක් වෙනවා හෙන්න නැති වෙනවා. හරිද? Rules in here. හරිද ළමයි? Try 3 rules relating to the serving and passing the balls of the volleyball. Right? Bankara, hurry up please. One of the rules is serve the ball within 8 seconds. Serve the ball within 8 seconds. What else? Can't touch the service line. Very good. Can't touch the service line. Service line touch කරන්න බෑ. Can't touch the service line in here. Sound Baba. What else? The rules in here, serving can be done within 8 seconds. Yeah.
The player should not catch and throw the ball.
Yeah, very good. Can't throw the ball. Very good, Baba.
The server should not make contact the service line.
Yeah, very good. Can't contact with the service line. Next month.
The ball should be served after receiving the signal for it.
Yeah, very good. The ball can be served after the signal. Sasindu Puta. Sasindu Dinuan. Tikshana boy. Dimang camera phone karpaing ahan tarha vennipa.
When passing the ball, it should not come into contact with the hand more than once.
Yeah, very good. Anuha, Himas, Isuru, Indu.
The player should not rest the ball in hands when passing the ball.
Yeah, very good.
The
Abhidutta,
ball should be served after receiving the signal for it.
Yeah, very good.
The
After
player
receiving-
should not catch and throw the ball.
Yeah, very good. Arnett, very good. Now you have, thank you. Hardadasun. Yeah. Next question. Draw a name of the court in the volleyball in here. හරිද කවිඳු ඔයාලා ඉවද රූල් එකක් කවිඳු boy boy කවිඳු mic එක on කරලා තියා ආවොත්
Oh, sir.
tell me one food in here
I am hungry.
mother right draw the names in here එන hungry නම් අපි ආය ආමුනේ පවුනේ name and draw the diagram the volleyball court in here හරිද see here the court මතකනේ ඔයාලට length and width also okay හරිද ඔවින්දි මතකද පුතාට length and width of the volleyball court class එකේදී පාඩම එතකොට හරි Davesh boy Sasmita Damsara very good puta very good why Saturday තියෙන third term lesson හරිද Saturday 11:30 front stone and back stone in here front stone in here හරිද here players පුළුවන් ද mark කරන්න yeah front stone also 3 meters very good puta front stone 3 meters back stone also 6 meters back stone 6 meters harido front stone 3 back stone 6 meters how do you call that line players la me balame server sorry front stone players it was the line in here name of papa how do you call that line මේ line එක මොනවද number 1 කොහොමද අපි කියන්නේ ඒකට center line මැද තියෙන middle lines එක sorry හරිද සස්මිති today I am not well sorry for it all right යාදු වෙන නිසා මම class එක කරේ sorry for any disturbance with my hachis satis right it's easy center center line හරිද පැටියෝ මේ center line එක මෙයා තමයි attack line මෙයා attack line එක this is also the service line service line හරිද මේ service line එක මේ attack line එක මේ center line එක හරිද චමුදි හරිද බැටියෝ සස්මිති පුළුවන් ස්ක්‍රීන්ෂොට් කරන්න හරිද අරුෂි front back stone 3 meters 6 meters center line attack line and the service line හරිද comment mark from the altar that's all the paper 5 for each one 20 marks for part 2 part 1 for 10 marks out of 30 කොමද ලකුණු out of 30 හරිද have you complete the Sasmiti how about your mark කොමද පුතා ලකුණු Sasmiti, Dinati, yeah, very good all. 30 marks, very good. Harda Lakshmi, have any problem? Here children, Moya 100 all. Oh, sorry. Okay, thank you for your wishes. All are correct. Right, the Monday I also trained the second term lessons, second term and first term lessons with questions. Maybe. Yes, Himash, sorry for it. Yeah, I also conducted the other one. They are not feel well. Right? So then, however, so lines for service, attack, and center line. Service, puta, attack, and center. Very good all. Very good all. Goodbye, children. God bless you. Bye bye. God bless you. Bye, children. Stay safe. Okay, ma'am. Add karana. Make a dana. Paper submit karana. Goodbye. God bless you.